What's going on, guys? So today I'm gonna be I was working earlier today on the music video, and I just got the beat down right now. Like, I got a beat and like everything is done on the writing the song. I just have to put it all together. I'm buying a mic like later this week because the one that I just used like sucks. So I'm for sure gonna buy one this week and record it and make it sound all good and post it up on this channel. So right now I'm actually gonna go ahead to a park and capture some good vibes for you guys. So let's get it. Okay, so my friends, they found some deer on a train track, and so we're about to go check it out. There's like a deer and like 3 dead baby deers, so we're gonna go check it out. This next scene, if you're like, I don't know, like might vomit or something, you shouldn't look at it.
It's graphic.
If it's graphic, yes, don't look at it. If like you have a weak stomach or something, like skip through the video. And yeah, so
will you put a
right now,
timestamp?
yeah, I'll put a timestamp once you like skip through the video. Yo, what the frick?
That's half of it.
This is half of a deer. Yo, look at that tongue. Damn. What the frick?
Get the guts, dude. Pull it out. Take a bite.
Yo,
dude.
do you want me to like touch it?
A thumbnail. No, so bad.
No, actually.
It's pretty disgusting.
Here's another baby deer. Damn.
Damn, this Bambi.
Holy crap.
Yeah, who killed
That
Bambi?
is Bambi.
Sucks to be Bambi.
Yo,
I don't smell it. Is that weird?
I don't know, I can't smell it either.
Jake Paul is #1. No, I'm just kidding.
This is just right here.
Yo, I see it. Yo, I see it.
Oh,
what the
it's far that.
Oh, dude, it's actually, yeah, it looks like it's alive. Yo, I bet it died. Like laying down. Actually, though, no eyes.
Balancing classes? I don't know. You got a ladder right freaking here.